Hey, Wall Street Willie. What are the benefits of a line of credit? The main benefit of using a line of credit over a traditional loan is the fact that you can borrow money over time as needed, instead of receiving all of it up front. This not only offers a great deal of flexibility and convenience, but also allows for better control over your finances. Also, you have continuous access to funds and can borrow and repay as many times as needed within the credit limit. This makes it a good choice for covering unexpected expenses if you don't have an emergency fund. In addition, you only have to pay interest on the amount you use, not the entire credit limit. The approval process for a line of credit is usually quick and easy, and collateral is optional unless it's a secured line of credit. What are the disadvantages of a line of credit? The main disadvantage of a line of credit is that it often has a significantly higher interest rate than other types of loans, and the interest rate fluctuates over time. This means you can end up paying much more in interest than if you took a traditional loan. There are also usually high late payment fees, and missed payments can damage your credit score. Some lenders also charge a maintenance fee just for providing the line of credit, irrespective of whether or not money is borrowed. Unlike mortgage or student loans, the interest on a line of credit is not tax deductible. Also, you may be tempted to borrow more than you can afford through a line of credit. If you want to go for an unsecured line of credit, it's difficult to qualify if you don't have a good credit history, and if your line of credit is backed by collateral, non-payment can result in the lender taking over the collateral. Should I use a line of credit? Thanks to their flexibility and convenience, lines of credit can be a tempting choice for emergencies or purchases where the cost is unknown. However, due to their high interest rate, you should never use them to borrow large amounts. Consider an auto loan or a mortgage if the money is needed for a specific purchase, or even a personal loan, since their interest rates are much lower. For emergencies, it's best to have an emergency fund in place, but if you don't have one, you can use a line of credit. Make sure to pay not just the minimum amount, but as much as you can afford, since it can quickly accumulate significant interest. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.